Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday and the market is being sold off quite aggressively, especially S&P and Nasdaq. Quite a number of my trades get stop loss, right? But also there's one trade that actually reached my take profit. Overall profits went down a little bit, but still, since I traded last 5th of July, right, my portfolio overall is still up, right? Let's jump in and I'll show you. Okay, so we are on my screen right now. You can see over here, overall, I'm still having a running profit of around $20 over. My balance equity based on the close trade, right, is now down back to roughly $5.75 of profits, right? I know much earlier it was much more, but took quite a number of stop losses, small losses, right? But overall, still. I started with 5,000, so overall I'm still profitable, right? And I only traded for like maybe 8 trading days, roughly 1 week plus, right? So over here, KO, I did 2 trades and one already hit one of my take profit level. The indices we can see over here, we'll get back to the account, right? But over here you can see the indices are being sold off. Like S&P is down 1.3% and Nasdaq is down quite a big amount, almost 2.8%, right? 2.8%. Only Dow Jones is holding up pretty well, right? But Dow Jones is only 30 component stocks. It doesn't represent most of the majority of the overall market. So over here, based on my favorites, you can see most of them are in the red, and most stocks are also in the red as well today, right? It does happen, right? But overall, my portfolio is still doing okay. Especially KO is actually up today, right? MMM is also actually up today. The rest is still borderline, right? Okay. If I were to switch over to my this trade, right? Okay, just to show you, Coca-Cola, this trade, right, hit my take profit level over here, right? So this one was that's why I have a 2 trade on KO, right? Okay, one is this one, took profit. This one is still waiting for another take profit level over somewhere around here, right? That's for KO. And over here, I would say MMM went up a little bit, right? Okay, not much, right? Okay, but my take profit level is over here, still quite somewhere, still some prices away, right? Some level away, quite a distance, right? Okay, but I have 2 trades, right? One is this one and one is this one based on my profit signal. So one I will take profit over here and another one I will take profit over here, right? Okay, of course, one of the my stop loss is here and here as well. So basically, just to show you the history, right? I have not shown you the history since I started trading. So I started trading on the 5th of July. My first big take profit, that hit my take profit level is actually mRNA, right? I did go in again, right? Because it went back to my entry, roughly around my entry price. So this profit was about $80. Subsequently, I took profit here on the 15th of July. It was roughly close to $50 profit on GM, right? And I think yesterday I told you I took profit on BAC, a small profit. Why? Because I went in late, right? After it triggered, I went in late. Subsequently, I cut a few off, which is quite a good move, because all these that I cut based on yesterday, right? Okay. They actually did not move in my favor as well, right? Okay, so over here, today itself, right? Intel hit my stop loss, right? In fact, it gapped a little bit and I lost slightly more than I'm supposed to. By right, I should be losing around $30+, but because of the gap, I lost slightly more, right? Okay. CVX is also another one that lost a small loss, right? Roughly $20+ altogether. And NVIDIA also hit my stop loss, right? It went down, right? So roughly $20+ or so. Good thing is that, like I say, KO hit my first take profit, right? Which got me about $50 of profit. So overall, since I started trading, right, which is the 5th of July, right? Overall, based on close trade, I'm up about $3, right? Close to $3. And based on my running profits, right? Okay, I'm up about altogether I'm out about $30, right? Okay, why is this showing $5? Is because earlier on, before that, I did close a trade that is a $2 to $3 profit, right? Okay, much earlier, but it's very negligible, right? So overall, I would say the market, the way I see it, could be selling off and will continue to sell off maybe even tomorrow, right? Okay, so that could indicate a possible short-term small correction happening very soon, right? Okay, but if tomorrow does rebound, right? If tomorrow does rebound, let's take a look at the S&P. If tomorrow does rebound, then we are quite safe, meaning the correction is not going to happen and the bull run will continue, right? Okay, but if it does go further down tomorrow, then there might be a increased possibility that a small short-term correction might happen, right? Okay, and hopefully by sharing that with you, you can better prepare yourself, right? Okay, so just to take a look at NVIDIA, yeah, it hit my stop loss and it went lower. So when our signal based on our stop loss is not a straight line, we will not follow our take profit because it's already stop loss, right? Okay, so over here, I will be waiting for another signal, another green triangle before I get back in, right? Okay, so a lot of times like this one, you will stop loss, then this one make the big profit for us, right? Okay, it went even higher. So yeah, looking forward to the rest of the market to trigger, right? All these stocks to trigger, especially Meta, it has came down quite nicely, right? Okay, so hopefully there will be a trigger like this, and I can get into trade it out, right? Okay, yeah, Microsoft is another one that is coming down nicely, right? We can see previous triggers on Microsoft is doing pretty well, right? So I'm hopefully in the near future, after this short-term small correction is over, my profit signal will trigger and I can get in to make the trade to be profitable. Hopefully that's the case. GM, like I said, still holding strong, but already took profit at this level, right? Which I showed you earlier on. So overall, it's a good way to test my profit signal in a down market, right? Okay, because market is seems like being sold off now, right, and may continue, right? So hopefully, based on the profit signal trading, I can actually show you that it's quite stable even in a down market, right? It remains to be seen, right? It takes quite a bit of time before we can do our conclusion, right? So stay tuned to the channel, and if you have any questions that you might have, you can actually post your comments in the comments, so that I will take a look and even answer you, right? And also share your thoughts about what I think about the markets if you think differently, right? If you have the same sentiment like me, you can actually post in the comments as well, right? Okay, looking forward to seeing your comments, and remember to subscribe and like this channel if you are following me, right? Thank you so much for watching this. I will see you in my next video tomorrow. Thank you. See you soon.
Hope you love the video and learn something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.